TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Morning, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 46. The Nasdaq's off 3. S&Ps are down 9.5. We have the gold contract up $1.60. Silver's up 2 cents. Oil's flat at $40.27. Bonds, you get the 10-year down 26 ticks. The 30-year off 2.5 points. We're going to talk about that. That's some action, no doubt. Dollar index, folks, is toast. Get the peanut butter and jelly out, get the cream cheese out, get the toasted up, all of the above. The dollar has been down as much as 1,700 ticks. We're already at 70,000 contracts. Bottom line, the dollar's at 98.68. That's going to be running down to the 93 area. Euro. The euro is up 209 at 108.25. And the yen is at 123. Volatility in the market, extraordinaire. The DAX in Germany, folks, gave back a month and a half in all of 5 minutes. What is that all about? Mario Draghi was speaking this morning. And bottom line is that the market was looking for more monetary easing, and they didn't get it. What did that do? That put the dollar downtown. It put the futures downtown. It put the gold market stable somewhat, nothing heavy. Let's go over to the S&P. If you take a look at the S&P, this is what we have. The SPY and the Qs yesterday failed on price, failed on volume. Bottom line is that it couldn't handle, SPY couldn't handle that 209.49 area. The real kicker out here today is going to be, do you get an expansion of volume as we get to lower price? Thus far, we have it happening. We have 24 million shares going into a half hour. That sets up probably about 120, 130 million share day as we go to lower price. We look at the Qs, the NDX 100, same setup in the NDX. NDX, in fact, the volume is actually even bigger. We've already done 5.9 million. You only did 22 million yesterday. Both of them couldn't handle higher price yesterday. Gold, what do we have with gold? This is one that's going to get really wild. Gold got to a price point today of 1,045. We have done 122,000 contracts. Now, that's big contracts. So that sets up, number one, you could get a test of the low. The real key is going to be, can gold today get inside 1062? We've hit 1062, but gave it up. So that's the number you want to keep a look at. That's your first benchmark. 30-year bond. Let's go to the 30-year first, because this is pretty intense. 30-year bond comes down 2.5 points. We had gone up 2.5 points on Tuesday. And we are still coming back with lighter volume. So how this shakes out by the end of the day, we had gone up, folks, on 262,000 contracts. We're back on 141. The low that it was going into is 153.21. We're at 153.24. Bottom line, the bond market is still out as to, does it want higher price, lower yield? King dollar. Now, this is the number. King dollar is done. And this is pretty intense, how this move, number one, came about. But the acceleration in the move is amazing. We've done 83,000 contracts. I'm not sure if I've ever seen 83,000 contracts in the dollar. The door is not big enough for everyone to get out. Bottom line, we're at 98.64. The dollar's on its way back down to 93, 92.80. You break 92.81. Bottom line is that thing we're going to go to 85. And what does that do? That's putting juice inside the euro. It's going to put big juice inside the commodity complex in general. So you can expect high volatility. That high volatility is going to continue. You can expect lower prices. And Europe is just getting smashed, folks. Europe is down from 1.5% to 2.7%. Monster volumes coming out of those markets. And those markets literally gave up 6 weeks in all of about 7 to 8 minutes. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051, or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Get your stops in. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
It's true. Life is all about choices. At Everbank, they're making it easy for you to make a smart one with this special cash offer. Open a new yield pledge money market account with funds from another financial institution, or deposit new funds into an existing yield pledge money market account, and you could earn up to a $500 cash reward. And if you're opening a new account, you'll also get their new higher 6-month bonus interest rate, along with their yield pledge promise that ensures your yield will always be in the top 5% of competitive accounts at banks nationwide. Open a new account or add to one. It's your choice. To qualify, you must meet balance and other limited time offer requirements. Go to everbank.com/TFNN for details and deposit options, or speak with one of their banking specialists at 1-855-750-4051 for more information. You must act by December 31st, 2015 to be eligible. Everbank is a member FDIC.